I've worked and slaved in this house for too long to watch it all go down the drain.
Down the drain? I just remembered.
What, that you left the water running?
Yes. Oh, my God.
Thank you, gentlemen. While you may be dreadful detectives, you are extraordinary plumbers. For the return of my diamond, it is only right that you receive a reward. What would you say to a delicious box of donuts?
Donuts? At least there's one thing we can be grateful for. There's no such thing as ghosts.
It's a perfect crime. What the hell are you staring at?